This is Gaurav Gautam from Dayalbagh Education Institute, Dayalbagh, Agra. Here I am designing a tall building using ETAP software whose data are shown, and we are designing beam and column by using the auto select option. And the building is divided in basically four set of stories as shown in the image, and the following loads are shown. Now we will open the ETAP software. After this, go to the file option, then new model, and the new file will be open as shown. Then we will change the unit as per our convenience, and here are using Indian standard as shown, and click on the OK. In this, the number of grid line in x and y direction are 4 as same, and in y, and the spacing in x and y direction are 6 and 6 meter respectively. After this, number of story is 23, and go to the custom story data, then edit story data. So our story are similar. Then we will make 8 story as master story. After this, we make from 1 to 7 make story similar to 8. In the second set, the 14 stories is our master story, and from 9 to 13 stories similar to 14. In the same way, the 19 stories are master story next, and from 15 to 18 similar as 19 story. Then click OK and go to the grid only option, then again OK. The two windows are shown. In window 1, the 2D structure are shown, and in window 2, 3D structure. Now go on the define option, then material property, then add new material. After this, choose Indian code, then concrete, then as given in a question M40 we will take, then OK, then again OK. Add another new material, rebars we will take of HYSD grade 500, then OK, again OK. Then add another new material of mild grade 250, then OK and OK. Now we have designed the material property, then again OK to exit. Now we will define beams and column. Then first go to define section property, frame section, then add new property, take rectangular concrete section and name it as C500 by 500. Then change it material M40 as per given in the question. Then change it depth and width. Then modify show rebar. Select PM23 design column and longitudinal bar HYSD 500, and as confinement bar mile 250. Then OK. Then OK. Now we will choose add copy of property, then name another column as C500 550 into 550. Change it depth and width. So as we are using add copy property, so we can't go to modify show rebar, then OK, then add copy of property, again naming the column as C600 by 600, and as same as depth, change depth and width 600 by 600. then OK. Now we will define the column, and later we will define beam as in the same way. Add new property, take rectangular section of concrete and give an suitable name, and giving the suitable name for this, B500 by 300, and change the material M40, changing the depth as 500 and width at 300, and go to modify show rebar, go to the M3 design, which is only for beam. Longitudinal bar we will change HYSD, and confinement bar as mild, and we will change the top bar cover as 25 mm and bottom bar cover as 25 mm as per the Indian standard. We will choose the cover of bar and click OK, then OK. As we have done in column, choose same as option, add copy of property, then edit their name B550 by 350, then changing depth and width, and OK. No need to modify show rebar. Then again add copy of property, change their name B600 by 400, then as change their depth and width, then OK. So as given in the question, we will choose the auto select option for designing beam and column. For this, go to add new property, select list, auto select list, then give a property name for it. We will take it beam auto select for beam, then material concrete, then copy all the beam, then add, then OK. And in the same way we will do it for column also. Select auto select list, change their name as column auto select, select material which is concrete, then copy all the column and add, and OK. OK. Now we will define the beam and column for the building. It's time to define slab. Now go on define section property, slab section, add new property, give property name slab 150 M40, then change the thickness as given in the question 150 mm, then OK. OK. So we have defined the beam, column and slab. Now go to draw for design, for draw beam, column and slab for the different story as given in the question. Now go on story 1, then OK, then go to draw beam, column, quick draw column, then change their property as column auto select and select that column and draw, and choose similar story option because our story is similar till 8. Then choose column. For to draw the beam, we will select the option shortcut option for, and select the property beam auto select, then select the beam. Now you can see the beam and column are drawn from story 1 to 8. Then go to the quick draw floor, then go to the property, select slab 150 and design and draw the slab. Now you can see the slab from story 1 to 8 in the 3D view. Now we will follow the same procedure for other set of stories. Now we have drawn all beam, column and slab for different set of stories. Then go to draw, then auto draw cladding, choose use floor option and click on OK. And the cladding is drawn. Now we will define the dead and live load for the different set of stories. Now go to story 1, then OK. Now select all the slabs and make sure that the similar story option also selected. Then go to assign, shell load, uniform, dead load and load at 2 kN per meter square. Then apply, OK. Now we will assign the live load. Then go to select, get previous selection, go to shell load, uniform, live load 5 kN per meter square, apply, OK. So as same as we will apply all the load and dead load and live load as same as for the rest of the stories. Now we have assigned live and dead load. Then we will assign cladding load for the different story. Then go to story 1, OK. Now select only the outer beam. Make sure that the 96 frame selected. Then go to assign, frame load, distribute it, then put the value of load 0.2, then apply, then choose OK. In the same way we will assign the cladding load for rest of the story of the building by following the same procedure. Now we have assigned the cladding load on the building. Then we will provide joint at the bottom, at the base of the building. Then select the joints and go to assign joint. Now select the fixed option, apply. Now OK. Now we will define the wind load. Go to define load cases. Sorry, go to the load pattern. Then give the name as wind. Then type as wind. And for auto lateral load, we will choose IS 875 1987. Then add new load, modify lateral load. Now for the wind coefficient, we will refer to the IS 875 part 3, which is for wind load. Then as per IS, wind speed in Bangalore is 33, train category 3, structure class C. Then click on OK, and keeping risk coefficient and topography factor as 1. Then OK. Now we have defined the wind load. Now for assigning it, choose elevation A. OK. Now choose all story option and select all the shells. Now go to assign shell load, wind pressure coefficient. So as per IS code, wind coefficient is for A is 0.8 and in windward direction. Then apply. OK. Now also for section B, procedure is same follow. Select the shells, go to assign shell load, wind pressure coefficient, that is 0.8 in windward, then apply. Now for C and D, the coefficient is minus 0.25 in leeward direction. Minus 0.25 leeward. Oh, apply. Now for section 1, 2, 3, 4, windward coefficient is minus 0.8. Now go to shell load, uniform, wind pressure coefficient minus 0.8, apply. Okay. Now for check it, go to the plan option, story 1, choose story 1, then okay. Then you can see wind load has applied in all the direction. Now we will analyze our building. Go to analyze, run analysis.
मुझे तेरा डाउनलोड है तेरे भाई का हाँ तो हम दोनों का परसों का मैं आपको
Now we can see the detail of any point in the building, and also we can see the bending moment, shear stress and shell stress diagram by going display, force stress diagram, frame moment apply. Here is the moment diagram and shear stress diagram. Also for shell stress diagram, go on display, then as same as previous one, then okay. Now we will start design check. Go to design, concrete frame design, start design or check. Click yes. Again click on yes. So as you can see, there is no notification is coming. Then we will verify member passed or not. Go to verify all member passed. All concrete frame passed the design check. Then okay. Now we have done the design of the building. Then we will check the report. go to the report, project report. Now you can see the report of each and every member of the building. And thank you for paying attention.